Today we're cooking Pinapaitan Ilocano style, and we're true to the tradition. If you are squeamish, look away, because we're using innards, pes-pes, and cooking at our dirty kitchen. Welcome to my dirty kitchen in my Pangasinan. We're cooking today Pinapaitan, authentic a la Ilocanos, because the first version, click below the description box for the Pangasinan style, where I added tamarind. That's how we do it here. But people reacted, no, these, especially the GI, the genuine Ilocanos and genuine Igorosi, say no tamarind when cooking authentic Pinapaitan. That's why we're doing it today. What are our ingredients? This are the parts unknown that I have earlier parboiled just for the ease of cutting. They're still tough. It has to be boiled further. First, I'll wash the innards thoroughly several times in our barriers. Some even wash them with detergent and papaya leaves just to remove the unwanted aroma. Let's neutralize the smell a bit. Mabaho ito. Let's use ginger for that purpose. I won't be softening this further. They're just well, oh wait. I'll hand this over to my auntie who will do the slicing, and then we'll resume cooking. Yeah, I've given the Pinapaitan to my auntie to slice. I'm busy here. I'm washing. Come on, see my laundry. You might not believe this. Let's just spin this, put in the next load, and we resume cooking. This is the onion. That's this is what my auntie prepared, and ginger, and the garlic. We'll do the stir fry now in my dirty kitchen. Let's put the oil. I should have done this earlier while talking. See, this is dirty kitchen cooking. You will understand the importance of dirty kitchen, especially for dishes like this. This will involve impurities. Really, I'll explain later. What the Ilocanos would call pes-pes. This, or in addition to this, I might as well tell you, one of the ingredients is the gallbladder to make it bitter, plus some extracts from the upper intestine, which they call pes-pes or extract. Yeah, that's the harsh reality, but it tastes good. And you need a dirty kitchen to cook it, to give it its deserved impurity style. Okay, let's start with the stir fry. You might not be able to see it. It's dark in here in the dirty kitchen. It's not just dirty, it's dark. Darkness and dirtiness are associated with one another. Yeah, you can hear it at least. Cameraman, I think it's possible to show it to them.
No.
No?
Ah, yeah, good.
A bit? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. One of the parts unknown is the sebo, the fat of the beef. My auntie advised me not to use it because it contains too much fat, so I won't be adding it. Let's discard this. I think my auntie was easy on ginger. I want to add more ginger. And I want to add more onion. My auntie was easy on the onion as well. I don't know how you would react to this, but I did not properly peel the onion. The peel would give some bitterness. There's more, but let's add it. Yeah. For the audience, yeah. We can add the rest of the ingredients now. The cut parts unknown. All the innards thinkable. When you go to the market, just ask for a Pinapaitan mix, and they will give you all the parts needed for this recipe. Give it some stir. Look, this is the same water that I use in parboiling the parts unknown, and I'm gonna use it to make the soup, or it will serve as the soup. I'm straining it because it's parts unknown, and there are also unknown particles and even debris in those parts. So to remove them, I'm straining it. See those impurities. See those impurities. That was just to give some finesse to this a bit rough recipe. I'll just have to cover this and boil it for 2 to 3 hours. Of course, with the salt. I might as well add the salt now. High sodium, I'll add salt and more water. Yeah, more water. Yeah. Cover and let's resume the laundry. Let us boil for 2 to 3 hours and let's do the laundry for the meantime. Yeah. By the way, cooking at the dirty kitchen doesn't mean doing the laundry at the same time to make it even dirtier. No, this is multitasking. The key ingredient for Pinapaitan is the papaitan, or with the pes-pes, the upper intestinal extract. To be honest, I froze it. I didn't have time to cook it when it was just bought from the market. So it crystallized. It's no longer, it doesn't look good. It has changed in appearance. I hope it still has the same effect to give a bitter taste to the soup. But no choice but to use it. I don't want to go to the market again just for this. Here in Pangasinan, we would usually strain this to remove the particles. But this is clean. I don't see any traces of grass. So I just add it now. Yeah, and it's usually added at the end of the boiling process, but I'll add it now. I might lose it. That's what I meant with the impurities. It's needed. And earlier I was cooking ginataang manok with malunggay, and this was the coconut shell. I broke it, but there's one more here. Yeah, there's one more here, and I'm using it as fuel for my pinapaitan. Look how generous nature can be. I was wondering, and I was even beginning to doubt whether the frozen papait and pes-pes combined would taste any different. Let's see. No, it tastes the same. So, lessons learned. Papait can be frozen and you can use it in the future. Or freeze it at lower than 16 degrees Celsius. And you can use it even after a year. Papaitan, authentic, the way the Ilocanos do it, giving justice to the recipe. No tamarind as promised. It's been cooking for 4 hours now, believe me. So the tripe has been, the tripe has become extra soft. We can add the long chili, or the we can add the long chili now, mahabang sili, and it will be cooked. Where's the lid? As promised, Pinapaitan Ilocano style without the tamarind as we do it here in Pangasinan. Thank you for joining me today here at my dirty kitchen in my hometown in Anda. Our Pinapaitan is done. Here it is. Done according to the Ilocano way. No tamarind as we do it in Pangasinan. Authentic Pinapaitan. Yeah, I miss a tamarind to be honest. But this is the authentic Pinapaitan. Really delicious. It's best combined with, if you're eating this with your barako friends, it might be it may be consumed or it may be eaten along with your local spirits. Or with rice. I have here rice still, and that's what I'm going to do. Rice, Pinapaitan rice. Flavor of the North, flavor of the Ilocanos. Thank you for joining me, and if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe, share, better yet. As I always say, ibida natin ang ating pagkain Pinoy sa buong mundo. What do you want me to cook next? Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. And if you enjoyed watching, you might as well give me a like. And better yet, share. Ibita natin ang pagkain Pinoy sa buong mundo. That's the reason why we did this in English. Until next time, Diyos nagpati. Your Kuya and Uncle, Romilo.